Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about some tough stuff. Rape kits and sexual assault are never fun topics, but I've pretty much made it my mission to educate folks on all of the amazing stuffs that In the Backlog is doing, as well as to push for more, which we will get to. So what is In the Backlog? It's pretty much just what it sounds like. There is a backlog of untested rape kits in this country, and it needs to be fixed. Please bear with me as I muddle my way through this entire video. I may jump back and forth, and I apologize for that, but I definitely want to give you guys a very brief overview of the In the Backlog website, which is super comprehensive. It's also super interactive. This is their homepage, and if you just scroll down, Tennessee is absolutely getting called the F out, and they are asked to take action because of Eliza Fletcher's case, which I won't get into here, but I will leave a link in the description box so you can read all of the tragedy and badness for yourself. But if you scroll down, there's an interactive map of the entire United States that tells you who has full reform, who has some reform, who has no reform. Hello, I'm looking at you, Mississippi and Maine. But if you click on untested kits, it gives you basically like a running total of the untested kits in every state. And I'm actually kind of surprised that North Carolina has so many untested kits. Get your shit together, North Carolina. Michigan has 0 untested kits, which is yay. It's a victory in and of itself. But this right here really kind of pissed me off. And honestly, you guys, I'm trying to keep my emotions in check because this entire subject just burns my ass, and I don't think I will rest until every single person in America is as pissed off about this entire issue as I am. There's no reason for it. One untested rape kit in this country is one too many, and it irritates me. InTheBacklog.org, their homepage, actually their entire website, is amazing. It's full of so many fabulous resources for survivors and for counselors and lawyers. But here's why I do what I do. I'm trying to raise money because, as you can see right here, on average, it costs between $1,000 and $1,500 to test one rape kit. Funding is absolutely paramount. You have got, please, you have got to reach out to your state representatives. And the In the Backlog website makes that so freaking easy. Y'all, all you have to do is enter your name, your address, your email address, and hit send message. The entire message is pre-populated. We have got to reach out to these people, these lawmakers, the people who are in charge of making the laws, the people who are in charge of making the budgets. This money has got to be set aside to test these untested kits. So y'all, let's please make this happen. For the love of everything, B. Arthur, let's make this happen. Let's talk about the duo itself. Bases Loaded Lacquer Rainbow After the Storm is a medium charcoal jelly with a gold to green to orange to pink shifty shimmer and multichrome flakies, as well as a 2-ounce jar, y'all, a honker, of Ribbit Stickits Un-frog-gettable hand and cuticle cream, scented in white pumpkin maple crunch, which is crunchy maple and brown sugared pumpkin, enhanced with golden clove essence, cracked cinnamon stick, and a spicy nutmeg finish. Y'all, this is fall in a jar, honey. And of course, I cannot forget to thank my fantastic swatch team, Thaisa, Deidre, Yolanda, Marcia, Cynthia, and G Money in no particular order. Every single one of my swatch team members knocked it out of the park. I cannot do what I do without my swatch team. Thank you, ladies, so much. So I'm going to show y'all this polish over black, a deep charcoal gray, like an eggplant purple, and a burnt orange. That's on the black, pussycat, what is that purple? Arizona Fall League, yes, and Tropic of Cancer. I'm actually going to do 3 coats of this polish on its own over just like a clear, pop stick, whatever. But my goodness, look at this over black. Holy crap, Oli, this is so beautiful. Now, with polishes that are shifty like this, it's kind of hard to like capture everything, not only going on in the polish, but also as far as the lighting goes. Oh my God, I love it over gray too. It's just so amazing. Look at it. Look at it. Just obsessed. I'm obsessed with this polish. I know. Purple, yeah, it's pretty too over Arizona Fall League. But yeah, I think the red really is pulled out more over the purple. But over the orange, I don't know. It's just something special. Something special, y'all. 1 coat over Tropic of Cancer, which is a sort of like a burnt orange cream. I'm obsessed with Prugly polishes, you guys. Pretty ugly polishes. And this is not necessarily like a topper polish, but the blue shift in these multichrome flakies, they are contrasting colors. I just think they're freaking gorgeous. I love this. So I'm just going to go in with my 2nd coat by itself of Rainbow After the Storm. And I did turn off the lamp that's on the right-hand side. I don't really think you can really see that. And I think maybe I turned on the flash on my phone. I don't know. You guys, with shifty colors and shifty polishes and shifty shimmers and shifty flakies, just play around with the lighting. Play around with the lighting, y'all. It's going to make all the difference. You're going to see so many different things, like in bright lighting that you don't see in low lighting. It's crazy. Like, I've been making polish for almost 7 years now, and I'm still blown away by what I'm seeing. So I did go ahead and show you guys kind of that it is sheer. It is sheer, sheer-ish, with 3 coats. But here are all of the coats with top coat, a glossy top coat. I don't even know which one I love the most. I think I'm really digging the purple. I don't know. All right, so let's get into the second half of this duo. The duo consists of the polish and the white pumpkin maple crunch 2-ounce hand and cuticle cream, but there are also 2 other scents available, one of which is Rocky Mountain Memories, which is scented in blue spruce, Douglas fir, northern pine, with hints of tart cranberries, and warm cinnamon, as well as coffee shop, which is roasted coffee beans and sweet pastries, just like walking into a coffee shop. And then the 4th option available will be an unscented option. So all 4 2-ounce jars of the cream will be available individually. You can purchase those individually for $7 and $3.50 of every individual cream purchased will be donated to In the Backlog. But the white pumpkin maple crunch, that is a mouthful, y'all. That's the one that comes with the polish. So again, if you purchase the duo, $7.50 of every duo purchase will be donated to In the Backlog. And additionally, $3.50 from each individual cream will be donated. I'm obsessed with this cream. I have millions of them, and I use them everywhere. Elbows, legs, knees, hands, of course, everywhere. I use these everywhere. So the one on the right is actually the one that you're going to be getting. Well, I don't know if it's going to be this color jar, but it's basically a honker. The little jars that I sent out to the swatch team Those were just sample size jars. But you will be getting this massive honker 2 ounce. As you can see, I love me some Un-frog-gettable hand and cuticle cream. So I have to give a huge shout out to Christy Lilly, of course, the beauty and the brains behind Ribbits Stickits, for joining me. Again, this is our 4th in the Backlog campaign. Christy and I have worked together for years. I adore her. And throughout our first 3 in the Backlog campaigns, we have donated over 1,000 doll hairs to end the backlog. I am so grateful to each and every one of you guys who look forward to picking up our brand new campaigns every 6 months. So the duo will be available for pre-order, or is available for pre-order right now through October the 15th, as well as the creams as well. Turnaround time is going to be, 14 to 21 business days, not calendar days, but business days. And the duo is $22.50, and again, the individual creams are $7 hairs. So check the links in the description box below. Head on over to baseloadedlacquer.com. And get in on this and help an absolutely amazing cause. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.